Hey, welcome back to my world. Stacking Perpetrator here, finishing up this tub job, and there it is. All I gotta do is come in and sheetrock. I know what you're thinking, it's set back a little far, and it is, because if I'd went with the bigger tub, my tabs here would have been underneath the corner beads, so I had to set it back. Plus also, even if I would have put the bigger one in, I would have had to cut this structure out right here in order to have a slot for when you're putting them in. You need a slot, but it's catching good. I'll just have to come back and finish the sheetrock. Everything's working good. Nice project. I got another one to do. I'll bring you back when I do that one.